This is the system I'm working on right now, and I see you guys have seen this is one of the biggest box. So this is the Magnum, you see the 7530 for MPSL, so for Magnusign. And this is what I've been working on, and see on a 24 volts inverter right there, a 4024, and these are the wires that connect to this, but that's not the base for it at all. So you can see everything in here. So get this thing all souped up, and this one looks like the dual, and the inverter sits right here, and the positive negatives from here attached to the one old deal, and everything turned up to be pretty good. So this is gonna be the sense wires for the shunt for the BMK battery monitor kit. Then we have a 63 amps here for the charge controller, and we have double pole 80 amp here. We can put another charge controller here. It depends what we want to do. What charge controller is a PV, and you see this where the battery is going to from the inverter, from charge controllers to the batteries. And this is a bypass. So when it's up here, you bypassing the inverter, you can do like service on it. And when you go back to the other way, if you push this guy here, so it flips this one down and this one goes up, then you output in the power. This is for the generator or any source of power coming in. That's how you charge in the batteries. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA.